The thermostat is located on the stairs, and this is it. As you can see, the dial gives you your time, your date, as well as the current room temperature. So as you can see, it's 14.5 degrees, and you can change the temperature of the thermostat by pushing these up and down arrow keys. So to make it warmer, you just push this button up here and it will illuminate the display. So as you can see, the target temperature is 18 degrees and it's heating up at the moment because that's signified by the flame here. When the temperature has reached that 18 degrees, that flame will go out and the radiators will turn themselves off. Bear in mind, each of the radiators has a TRV valve on, so you can actually turn off the radiators or turn them on, depending on the temperature you wish to have in that room. So if you find it's too hot, you just push the down arrow key, and then as you can see, you can just change the temperature. The heating is on all the time, so whatever temperature you set this at, it will continue to be at that temperature during the time. That's how to use the thermostat. Thank you.